The name microscope comes from the Greek word skopin, which means to look at, and the word micro, which means very small. That is exactly what a microscope is, a device for looking at very small things. The first person to use a microscope for scientific observation was Anton van Leeuwenhoek at the end of the 17th century. He observed things no one knew existed, such as bacteria and blood cells. Leeuwenhoek's work was preceded by Robert Hooke, who published Micrographia in 1665. His observations on cork led to the discovery and naming of cells. Over the next 200 years, microscopes did not change significantly. In the 1850s, Carl Zeiss began refining the glass used in lenses, greatly improving the glass's sharpness and clarity. In the 1930s, an electron microscope was developed to help overcome the deficiencies of the compound or light microscope. The electron microscope is capable of enormous magnification. By releasing electrons at a specimen, scientists can gain a 3D image of their specimens magnified up to 250,000 times. Without microscopes, our understanding of the sciences would be extremely narrow. The use of microscopes has opened up miraculous developments in science, medicine, and technology.